Hey Glam Squad, welcome back to another episode of Beginner's Guide to Makeup, the series that helps busy women with their makeup struggles in just a few easy steps. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to create a very simple, easy, everyday makeup for college or for school, or just something very simple for a day-to-day basis. I'm going to be using the brand new palette from Makeup Revolution. This is their Friends collection. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I was really drawn to the Phoebe palette because of all the warm shades that are me to the ground and they're perfect for everyday wear. There's also some colors in here that I wouldn't normally use, like the silver. Silver scare me, but it'll also be good to push me out of my comfort zone. So I will be doing a more creative look using the silvers soon in a collab video that I'll be doing with two of my very good friends here on YouTube. They also brought out a lip gloss and lipstick collection with the palette. So the Phoebe lipstick is actually plum and the lip gloss is like a plum, kind of a warm plum or burgundy shade. So I'm very excited to do a real creative fall inspired look using this collection soon, but in today's video we're going to keep things really simple for Tuesday's makeup lesson, and I really hope you enjoy. So without further ado, let's get into it.
For this lesson I used Lobster, Ice, Ditzy, Smelly Cat and Bike. However, these colors are very easy to find in different palettes and very easy to dupe. I also used 3 different eyeshadow brushes, a large blending brush, a smaller blending brush, a thinner blending brush and also a pencil brush. However, I'm just being totally extra here and you can totally narrow this down to 2 brushes. I used a white liner pen to make my eyes bigger and brighter, and then lastly I finished off with some mascara. This is the brand new Maybelline mascara and I was just dying to try it out. So let's get started. Taking my largest blending brush and Lobster, which is a very soft matte warm orange shade, I'm going to start blending this back and forth across the crease of the eye and keeping my eyes open and blending this back and forth. This technique is great, especially if you have hooded eyes. By bringing that eyeshadow up a little bit higher, you're going to push that skin back, so it's going to make your eyes look bigger and brighter, but it is a great technique for all eye shapes as well. Don't be afraid of this color. It's actually very soft and muted, so it's very easy to work with. Next, I'm going to be taking Smelly Cat. Smelly Cat, Smelly Cat. And I'm taking this on that very thin blending brush and just popping it right into the inner corner. So I just took a little bit of Bike and a little bit of Ditzy and I just used that on my brow bone. I pinched the brush together just to turn it into more of a flat brush, and I just popped this right under my brow bone. Keeping it very close to the brow bone, particularly if you have hooded eyes, because if you bring that shimmer down too far, it can actually enhance the look of your hood. Next I'm taking Ice, which is a very soft warm brown, and I'm taking just a smaller blending brush and I'm just going to blend this right into the crease of the eye, so keeping it nice and tight. And I'm also going to blend this on the outer corner of the eye, or the outer V. This is a very soft, kind of barely there color. It doesn't make a huge amount of difference, but it just adds a little bit of depth and definition. I'm also going to take the pencil brush and I'm just going to sweep this on the lower lash line, again just to add everything together. Now I'm taking Ditzy with my ring finger and I'm just packing it onto the lid. As much as I love my brushes, never underestimate the power of your finger. You can get so much more pigmentation from using your ring finger sometimes than using a brush. Now I'm going to take that beautiful white pencil liner and I'm just going to run that quickly through the waterline and then finish off with some mascara. Now I did mention earlier that I was being a little bit extra, so you can see how you can totally narrow down the amount of brushes you use for this video. I just like to keep my brushes clean, and that's the only reason why I use 3 different blending brushes. But as you can see, you can totally narrow this down to even 2. So that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this very easy makeup look for school or for college. It's absolutely perfect and it really just opens up your eyes and Oh, it's just so fresh and beautiful. I absolutely adore it. And you can also change this up for nighttime or for evening. If you're going out for dinner, you could add like a plum lip or a red lip to totally take this look from day to night. I really hope you enjoyed this week's makeup lesson. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave. And you can check out my beginner's guide to makeup playlist, which I will leave linked here for you. Have a great day. Bye.